Join me as I dive into the world of quantum mechanics and take on the challenge of creating some mind-blowing experiments that showcase its magic. Quantum mechanics, the branch of physics that explores the behavior of matter and energy at an atomic and subatomic level. It's a fascinating field that has led to many groundbreaking discoveries, but what's often overlooked is its immense potential to inspire creativity and imagination. From art to music, literature to design, quantum mechanics has the power to revolutionize the way we think, create, and experiment. So, let's embark on a journey to uncover the magic that lies within. When it comes to quantum mechanics, many of us are guilty of having preconceived notions or misconceptions. We might think it's only for physicists, that it's too complicated, or that it's just a bunch of abstract theories. But what if I told you that's not entirely true? Quantum mechanics is actually rooted in some pretty simple concepts, and once you grasp those, the door to creativity and experimentation swings wide open. One of the biggest misconceptions is that quantum mechanics is all about math and formulas. While those are certainly important tools, they're not the only language of quantum mechanics. The truth is, many quantum principles can be understood and explored through creative experiments, art, and even storytelling. By taking a more interdisciplinary approach, we can break down the barriers that often intimidate people and make quantum mechanics more accessible to everyone. Another misconception is that quantum mechanics is only about the tiny particles and atoms. But the principles we discover at that scale can have profound implications for our everyday lives, from the way we understand reality to the way we interact with each other. By exploring quantum mechanics creatively, we can tap into that potential and unlock new ways of thinking, creating, and problem-solving. Diving into the world of quantum mechanics can be daunting, I admit. There are many concepts to wrap your head around, from superposition to entanglement, from wave functions to particle spin. But trust me, the rewards are worth the effort. By embracing the strange and counterintuitive nature of quantum mechanics, we can uncover new sources of inspiration and creativity. Let's take, for example, the concept of superposition. In classical physics, an object can only be in one state at a time, but in quantum mechanics, particles can exist in multiple states simultaneously. That's right, simultaneously. By harnessing this concept, artists have created incredible works that blend multiple realities into one, challenging our perceptions of space and time. Or consider entanglement, where two particles become connected in such a way that their properties are correlated, regardless of the distance between them. This phenomenon has inspired new forms of quantum-inspired art, where the connection between seemingly separate entities is celebrated and explored. One of the most fascinating experiments that showcases the magic of quantum mechanics is the famous double-slit experiment. You've probably heard of it before, but bear with me because it's just so cool. In this experiment, particles are passed through two parallel slits, creating an interference pattern on a screen behind. But here's the kicker. If we observe the particles as they pass through the slits, the interference pattern disappears. It's as if the act of observation itself changes the behavior of the particles. This experiment has far-reaching implications for our understanding of reality and the role of observation in shaping it. Another mind-blowing concept is quantum erasure, which takes the idea of entanglement to a whole new level. Imagine being able to retroactively change the outcome of a measurement, effectively erasing the past. It sounds like science fiction, but it's been proven in experiments. The implications are profound, challenging our understanding of time, space, and causality. But what's even more remarkable is that these experiments are not just abstract concepts, they have real-world implications. From quantum computing to cryptography, the principles of quantum mechanics are being harnessed to create new technologies that will revolutionize the way we live and work. As we've explored the world of quantum mechanics through creative experiments, I hope you've gained a new appreciation for the magic that lies within. Quantum mechanics is not just a branch of physics. It's a gateway to new ways of thinking, creating, and imagining. By embracing its strange and counterintuitive nature, we can unlock new sources of inspiration and creativity. And who knows, maybe even change the world. Thanks for joining me on this journey into the world of quantum mechanics. I hope you're as excited as I am to continue exploring the magic that lies within. If you have any thoughts or questions about quantum mechanics, please share them in the comments below.